Treza and I'm an A-level student at Mandalay International School of Acumen. This school has been an incredible place for my growth and learning. The Cambridge curriculum builds my critical thinking skills and prepare me for university. And the teachers here truly inspire and support us every step of the way. What I love most is the engaging learning environment, whether it's collaborating on projects or exploring hands-on experiments. I always feel challenged and motivated. I feel prepared and excited for the future. If you're looking for an education that empowers you, Mandalay International School of Acumen is the place to be.